Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Noel David here. For today's vlog, syempre, napaka-special for me this vlog kasi it's my birthday. So, ano pa bang dapat natin gawin kung hindi mag-buffet? So, come and join me. Let's go! Itadakimasu! So, appetizer muna tayo. To die for ang kanilang mga sushi. Nam mo talaga na yung pagka-Japanese na ano niya talaga. This is the Norwegian salmon. Iba yung salmon nila. Sobrang fresh. Amazing. It's like it's melt in your mouth. Alam mo yung ganun siya. Feeling nasa Japan. The quality of the food, I swear, salmon, mabubusog na ako nito sa salmon pala. So far, ito lahat na nakuha ko. Awesome. Yun ang masasabi ko, puro awesome. Oishii! Oishii! Steak na tayo. Siyempre, my favorite.
Medium rare. Medium rare.
Perfect. Perfect yung steak nila. This is Australian eh. This is tropical fruit punch. Sarap. Siyempre, kailangan nating hindi palagpasin ang kanilang scallop. Ano to dito? Winner to dito. Ang sarap na scallop nila. Okay, then, sarap na scallop. Promise. The best ang scallop, and then ito yung crab, deep fried soft shell crab. Ayan, try natin. Ang sarap. Ang sarap din niya. Ang soft talaga ng shell. Walang tapon. First time ko itong matikman ng ganitong soft shell na crab. Sarap. And then, the beef stroganoff. Tinanong ko din to ha. Best seller din daw dito yan. Wow. Sobrang tender ng meat nila. Soft. Na the pork. Look at the pork. Talagang mukhang very sobrang soft. It like it melt in your mouth. Winner. So next, dadating yung seafood ko na mussel and shrimp. Okay. Yes, I ordered shrimp, buttered garlic shrimp with mussel. Ayan siya. Yeah. Gohan is white Japanese rice and the fried rice, Japanese fried rice. Okay. Basta para ito naman yung kanilang, nako, ang hirap magtalop. Try natin yung ating grilled buttered prawn. Ito ang mahirap magtalop. Struggle is life. Pag kumain ako ng hipon,
Wait, go.
ito na, i-dip natin sa butter. Good. The shrimp is so good kasi hindi siya maganit. Yeah. Gusto ko. So, try natin ang baked mussel. So, pasosyal tayo, baked mussel. Tahong lang naman to, di ba? Oh, tahong. Dip pa natin sa butter. Masarap talaga to with white rice. Japanese rice, di ba? Ito na ang turon. Siyempre, kumain tayo ng medyo malansa. Pwedeng gamitin natin sa kamay. Kung nagtalop tayo ng prawn, malansa. So ito, and sa bibig, pwede rin. Actually, malansa naman talaga ang seafood. Okay? Sobra ko nagustuhan talaga tong deep fried soft shell crab. Sarap niya. Tapos I got the gyoza, but their gyoza is they have shrimp inside, and then this is the what they call this salmon panga, and then I have the sauces of the shell and the gyoza. At saka, by the way, one thing nice here at the Yawaragi, yung traffic flow ng, alam mo yun, yung pag maglalakad ka, di ba, going to the mga food station, ang ganda kasi maluag siya. So, hindi kayo magta-traffic sa paglalakad nyo pagsalubong. So, nice concept, nice place, good food. Ayan. So, dahil pa sinasabi, teka na, kaya na tayo. I start with, try ko na muna itong gyoza. Kasi itong gyoza, may shrimp siya. Tingnan natin kung anong review natin dito. Ito yung sauce niya. Kasi so far yung yung crab, soft crab niya talagang winner talaga sa akin. Sarap. May shrimp and then may meat. Sarap din. Masarap din to. Yeah, kumuha ko sa grill station at nagpaluto pala ako. We have chicken, pork, and mackerel satay. So, eto yung kanyang sauce. I-dip natin siya. So, this one is the chicken. Sarap to, sweet. Let's try the pork. Satay, no? Para sa atin, barbecue to eh. Let's try this one. The pork satay. Also good. This is the mackerel. Masarap yung mackerel niya. Fresh. Stays there. Lemonade. Ang sarap. Masarap ng lemonade. Kasama rin to sa Anli. Since nasa Japanese restaurant tayo, kailangan din natin palampasin ang kanilang tempura. I-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10. Pero I noticed their tempura is not so big of the, the breadcrumbs. So, magkakaalaman. Ang sarap. Kasi ang nipis lang yung parang breadcrumbs niya. Tapos pagkagat mo, shrimp agad. Winner, 10 over 10. Okay. Hindi ako makamove on sa scallop. Kumuha ito sa scallop. Okay. And then, this one is fish. A local fish, sea bass. So gusto ko siya itry. Close up, close up. Yan, sea bass siya na local. Okay lang siya. Isda lang siya.
Ayun na.
Ha? Ay, ano yan? Ay! Wow! Ang sweet naman.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you. Wow! Look at this. At meron pa akong background music. Wow! Ako lang ang celebrant. Blow na natin. Make a wish. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Dessert time. So I have the ice cream pistachio and butter pecan. And I have the coffee latte. Yes. And I have mochi. Look at this. Mochi. Wow. Awesome birthday celebration. Thank you, Lord, for another year. Yes. I'm so grateful. Thank you. My last meal is a seafood pasta. Ayan. Parang huling hapunan, I'm just happy and thankful for another year. Diba? Parang thank you for this wonderful day. Ayun. Kasi my next plan is secret. Yan. So, ang masasabi ko lang is I enjoyed the food here. Yawaragi. Mostly na nakain ko are Japanese food and sobra akong nag-enjoy. So, ibang-iba yung quality ng kanilang food. Authentic, legit na Japanese. Yung mga sushi nila. Kita niyo naman sa vlog. And then I will, na lang yung mga details pa about the... Okay, of course, number one, we are going to eat here at Okurai Yawaragi is be sure, playing safe, na make a reservation. So, during Saturday, ang alam ko, pag Saturday, and I think lunch, no, full buffet, meaning, kompleto yung buffet nila. Kasi alam ko, during weekday, it's like a signature chef, buffet lang, hindi full. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng station kompleto. So, that's why tonight, it's a Saturday, it's a full dinner buffet siya. So, try nyo din, di ba? Masarap. First time ko dito. Sobrang enjoy. Look at the tree. No, this one is bonsai. And the bonsai, di ba? Bonsai tree. Thank you again for sharing my birthday today with me. Thank you for watching my YouTube. Yes, sana dumami pa ang ating subscribers. Thank you. Good night. Bye.